Okay, I'm at the job site this morning here at the House Addition, and I've got the holes ready. We're all ready for the concrete. We're just waiting for the inspector so we can get started. I'll just get set up as much as I can, and then at least once he's here and I get the inspection, I'll be ready to go. So I just got this new sprayer. We'll see how long this lasts. So I just got a call from the inspector, and he said he won't be here this morning. He won't be here until this afternoon, 1 to 3 o'clock. So I guess I'll have to get into something else this morning just to try to stay busy. What I'm going to go ahead and do while I'm waiting is open up this rim board. So this outer LVL isn't perfectly straight. I think I'm going to take a little bit of time, try to get it straightened out, and square it off, and then I'll lock it at the corners, just so it stays square. It's extremely close. I have a lot of 2x4 8-footers, so I just decided to glue these together with screws just to get the length I wanted, just to secure it as a brace. 137.5. So it looks pretty straight now. You can see, looking down that string, the board is straight as an arrow. I think I might go ahead and close up the framing here and at least put the tie back over, because there's no reason to leave it open. Then I'll maybe pack some stuff away, and then I'll head over to the dump. It'll only take me like 10 minutes to get there and back, so I'm sure you won't come in that little bit of time. And other than that, I can't really think of anything else to do. So I'm just going to get comfortable and get ready to wait for a little bit until he comes. So the inspector just came, and here's the inspection sticker I passed. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the first hole. I got 12 inches of concrete underneath, and then I set the 12-inch sonotube on stop. And I plumbed it so the bracket would sit in the center of the post. Gonna leave it alone. So I got that sonotube filled, and I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to backfill the hole around it, like all the dirt around it. That way, maybe I can try to cut it off. I don't know. I'm hopeful that I can cut it off so it'll be just the concrete. I think that would look better. So I hope to see you in the next clip, where I'll probably get the other 3 holes done, and maybe we'll see. Maybe we'll get into something else. I'm not sure yet. So I hope to see you then.